Hi, this is Kendall from Educating Abroad on Teachers Pay Teachers, and today I wanted to share the scavenger hunt game that I created for my own students to play while we meet together on Zoom. So maybe you've already tried playing scavenger hunt games with your students. It's a lot of fun to get everybody excited to go and find something in their homes and bring it back to share. But we started noticing in my class that the clues became a little bit redundant with a lot of color clues and shape clues. But we wanted to continue to enhance our students' vocabulary and their ability to think a little bit more critically. So that's why I developed this game. It's really easy to use. You just share your screen. So if you're using Zoom or perhaps you're using Google Meets or any other platform that allows screen sharing, you can use this. You do need to have Google Drive, though, as it's shared via a Google Slides presentation. So the way the game is played, let's just move on through. Oh, I've also have two other different types of games at the moment that we've been playing: mystery photo game, and then like an I Spy with My Little Eye game. So you can check those out in my store too. So the way the game is played is that a slide will appear that has a visual clue as well as some words describing what the children should do. So find something square. Ready, steady, go. Everybody runs off, including the teachers, and finds something in their homes that matches that challenge and then returns with their something square. So maybe I could come with, I've got this little dish growing carrot tops. It's square though, so that matches. I also noticed when we were playing the game just on our own in my class that the kids kind of just started collecting all their things wherever it was they're doing their distance learning. So I've included a slide to encourage a little bit of responsibility. So go put your something back where you found it. So then all the children, before moving on to the next activity or challenge, will have the chance to go and put their things away where they belong. So as I said, this is encouraging mathematical vocabulary. So I have two games at the moment, but I will be creating more. And they all have to do with something to do with comparing size or shape, something with positional vocabulary. So, for example, find something you wear on top of your head, color, find something green. And it goes on. You can read in the description about all of the very specific categories that are featured in each of these challenges. And the last slide is one that has to do with something personal for the children. So I'll just zip ahead down here. So in game, the scavenger hunt number 2, I have find something that you made. So everyone can run off and find something they made to bring back. So this is not an editable game. My other two games are editable, but to respect the copyright of the artist who I purchased these photos from, I'm not able to just have the image as it is. So the clues are as they are, but you're definitely welcome to add more slides with your own photos that might be an inspiration to your students. So again, this is my scavenger hunt game for Zoom or any other distance learning platform. It's a game for your entire class to play together and develop some vocabulary and some mathematical thinking while you're having fun, because that's the most important thing, is to incorporate fun into distance learning. All right, have a great day. Thank you. Oh, teachers pay teachers on education.